You need to apply a coat of Mod Podge over the tile, making sure to get an even coat. Lay down the scrapbook paper over the tile while smoothing it out to make sure there are no air bubbles. Trim the sides, leaving about an inch of excess paper. Put Mod Podge over the sides of the tile and fold the paper down. Fold the corners of the paper under the tile. Apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to the sides of the paper so it sticks to the tile and press down on it. Then apply felt to all 4 corners and let it dry for 24 hours.